Edward T. Hall identified 4 zones of personal space, each serving different functions for different interactions. First, we have the intimate distance or intimate zone, and that is from about 0 to 18 inches. That's going to be what you would use probably with your romantic partner or very close family members or very close friends, where you could whisper to them or hug them very easily. Then we have the personal distance, and that's anywhere from 18 inches to about 4 feet. You might use that with some family members and friends. It allows for a little bit more personal space and a little bit more of a boundary. Beyond that, from 4 feet to about 12 feet is what we call social distance. And that can be used at work when you're talking to colleagues, maybe clients. You might have a little bit more space between you. But that also is going to depend on context. That space can be reduced, obviously, in tighter spaces, or perhaps if you are entertaining, having a cocktail party with your clients, you'd probably stand a bit closer. But generally, you're going to have a little bit more space with people professionally than you would privately. The public distance or public zone goes from about 4 feet to 12 feet, and that might be used more when you're speaking in public, where you need to stand back so that you can be seen by more people. Maintaining appropriate personal distance can convey confidence. If you stand too close to someone, that might be perceived as aggressive or intrusive. If you stand too far back, that might be seen as aloof. In personal relationships, moving closer tends to build trust and rapport. It can in business too, but it's all in how you do it. So you really want to be watching for other people's reactions to how close you stand and how far you need to move away when they look uncomfortable.